Welcome everyone to Psycho Sage. Today we're delving into an engaging and knowledge-rich topic. Join us as we explore 20 captivating insights about men's sexuality between the ages of 45 to 65. Let's jump right in and uncover the intriguing aspects of this subject. Fact 1. Hormonal shifts wield a significant influence on men's sexuality during this phase of life. Gradual reductions in testosterone levels can impact both libido and sexual performance. Fact 2. While testosterone decreases, it's worth noting that numerous men maintain a fulfilling sex life well into their 60s. Age doesn't necessarily correlate with a decline in sexual desire or ability. Fact 3. Erectile dysfunction (ED) becomes more prevalent with age, affecting roughly 50% of men aged 40 to 70. It's important to recognize that ED is treatable, with various medical options available. Fact 4. Men in this age group often experience lengthier refractory periods, the time taken to achieve an erection after ejaculation. This is a natural occurrence, varying from person to person. Fact 5. Emotional factors like stress, anxiety, and relationship dynamics can significantly influence a man's sexual desire and performance during these years. Fact 6. Many men find their sexual experiences becoming more focused on intimacy and emotional connections rather than mere physical performance. This shift can amplify overall sexual satisfaction. Fact 7. Engaging in regular physical activity and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can positively impact men's sexual health, including libido, erectile function, and overall well-being. Fact 8. Prostate health gains importance with age. Regular checkups and screenings are essential for early detection of potential issues affecting sexual function. Fact 9. Medications, such as those for blood pressure or depression, can occasionally yield side effects impacting sexual function. Discuss any concerns with a healthcare professional to explore alternatives. Fact 10. Many men in this age range discover new sexual interests and explore various aspects of their sexuality. This might involve trying novel activities or seeking alternative forms of pleasure. Fact 11. Communication with a partner becomes increasingly crucial during this phase. Open, honest discussions about desires, needs, and expectations contribute to a fulfilling sexual relationship. Fact 12. Some men might experience a decrease in semen volume and orgasm intensity as they age. This is a natural aspect of the aging process, varying from individual to individual. Fact 13. Maintaining cardiovascular health is vital for sexual well-being. Conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes can affect erectile function, making their management crucial. Fact 14. Testosterone replacement therapy is an option for men experiencing significant symptoms linked to low testosterone. However, its usage should be approached cautiously and under medical guidance. Fact 15. Psychological factors like body image concerns or self-esteem issues can impact sexual confidence and satisfaction during this age range. Seeking counseling or therapy can be beneficial in addressing these concerns. Fact 16. Many men report an increased focus on sensual touch and extended foreplay during this stage of life, leading to more fulfilling sexual experiences. Fact 17. Education and awareness regarding sexual health are indispensable. Many men aren't aware of the various treatments and strategies available to address sexual issues as they age. Fact 18. Mutual respect and understanding between partners are pivotal for maintaining a healthy sexual relationship. Both individuals should be supportive and responsive to changing needs and desires. Fact 19. Some men may experience a decreased frequency of sexual activity as they age, which is completely normal. Sexual desire and activity can vary among individuals and shouldn't cause concern. Fact 20. Age should not confine or define one's sexual experience. With open communication, a positive mindset, and the right support, men can continue to relish a fulfilling and satisfying sex life well into their later years. And that concludes our compilation of 20 enlightening facts about men's sexuality between the ages of 45 to 65. We hope you found these insights both engaging and informative. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, and prioritizing your sexual health and well-being is essential at any age. If you enjoyed this content, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our upcoming content. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to having you with us again.